Hey guys, morning. My name is Jonathan. Today is February 14. Happy Valentine. Today is Saturday. Right now it's afternoon around 12 o'clock. For this video, I'm actually visiting an open house. So I want to quickly show you guys. Wow, that's a lot of grass. Hello. Hi, how you doing? Good. Jimmy, you want to take a look? Hello. Sorry. It's cook it. What do you think? Wow. Great detail. Oh yeah. Look like there's quite a lot of stuff need to be done. This is a definite fix up. Brand new paint. Okay. I guess this is the living room. When you walk in the door from the driveway. Okay, need a brand new paint job for sure. Fireplace. Need some lights on top. It's kind of dark here. The floor is old. It's outdated. So here's a brand new floor. That's one of the room on here. Doesn't look like it's been remodeled. I'll stand right here. So that's the living room. One bedroom. And then that's the second room. And then you got a little bit of pocket right here. That's the kitchen. So I assuming the master bedroom is somewhere around that side. No, the living room is right here. So the light needs to be changed. These light fixture. What else? Wow, it's gonna need some money on this house. New paint, ceiling light, new floor. Outside needs a new paint too. Definitely. And then this is a small room, probably a size for a full size bed. It's gonna be tight. Maybe a twin size bed will be fine at full size. The window is extremely weird. It's old. So this is an old window. Man, the posting, old style window. Online, the post looks pretty cool, but these are full remodel, guys. This house. These are full remodel. So the bathroom, they did a little bit. Lights work. They did a bit remodel of the bathroom, a little bit, not much. Very dirty. Needs a clean. Update on that bathroom.
This was original though. That was there.
So I'll go this way. Fireplace. Okay, that's the second living room, but where's the master bedroom? Oh, this is the master bedroom. Green. It has its own bathroom. Oh, need to remodel. Yeah, decent size, small. Not much going on. Very low. Back in the day, very low, guys. And you got the walk-in closet. The carpet needs to be removed. What's underneath the carpet? Is it? Oh yeah, it's not wooden floor. So yeah, it's just a carpet. So if you remove this carpet, you need to install a wooden floor underneath. And you don't want those things. What is that? Is that like an additional thing they built right there? Man, that's definitely, we could check that out. Yeah, this house is. Love is patient. Love is kind. That's cool. Backyard's huge, but it's useless. Just show that more work to be done. Yeah. This is a fixer-upper home. A lot of work. There's a lot of work too. And a paint job. A lot of maintenance. Definitely it's a maintenance house. Maintenance. Did you look at the other side? I think they added something on the side right here. Yeah, see, that's what I saw. This is added. Oh, yeah. This is added right here, connected. They extended the bottom. Yeah, it's gonna be wet mold. Something on the bottom. Crack on it. Yeah. So they added this thing right here. It used to be not here. I don't think this is totally separate. I don't know why they added that. So I don't know the plan for this area. I don't think it's legal, but maybe a sunroom deck. And this is the laundry room garage. 2-car garage. It's not very depth in terms of. Yeah, this is gonna be a major fixer up right here. Remove those, clean everything up, paint, brand new paint to make it look good. I don't know if this garage is gonna work. Washer is missing a dryer. I don't know. Oh, utility system. Closet. Where's the breaker box? I don't see a breaker box. No, I don't see a breaker box. You guys see it? Did I miss it? Maybe it's in the outside of the house. Let me quickly look at the kitchen. I didn't get you. Look at the kitchen. Need to be remodeled, the whole kitchen. Things up there. I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, water heater. They got this water heater going on, install. And then they got the heater, the central heater as well. This is this slanted? Yeah, kind of slanted. Where's the breaker box though? Let me look at the roof. How's the roof line? They put a netting there, so that's good. That's open. Obviously someone's trying to get in there before. Let's see, how is the inside? Bone dry, that's good. It's bone dry. Foundation. It's pretty wide though. Easy to work on, I would say. That's a good sign. Let's put this back. The AC looks pretty new, so that's good. Useless space. Way too much work to do. I don't know why I felt like it's kind of slanted. Damn, you see how long that is? Go to the front of that. Yeah, that's just additional, definitely. Yeah, the roof I think seems okay from the side view, but overall, everything else. Need money to work on. Okay, I think that's fine. Open. The side of the shingle looks okay. On top, I mean the water.
Not the leak you asked me for, right?
I don't know where the breaker box is. They had the central. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it.